Rumor has it that a conflict happened between Kapamilya actors Daniel Padilla and Kyle Echari, and the alleged reason was Asia's superstar Catherine Bernardo. It has been almost 2 years since Catherine and Daniel broke up. However, some of Katniel fans were still hoping that they would get back together. Just recently, it was rumored that Catherine has a romantic connection with Lucena City Mayor Mark Alcala while Daniel was being teased with his incognito co-star Kayla Estrada. With the Star Magic Ball, held on April 4, showbiz fans anticipated that Catherine and Daniel might bump into each other at the event. Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla's breakup was controversial as it involved other names in the entertainment industry, such as their fellow Kapamilya star Andrea Brillantes, who also attended the Kapamilya annual event. That ball happened a couple of days ago, and a rumor that something unexpected happened surfaced just now, based on the article in the Philippine Entertainment Portal. During the ABS-CBN ball after party, Catherine was spotted with Kyle, along with Dolly De Leon, Bel Mariano, and Donnie Pangilinan. A video surfaced online showing that Kyle was holding Catherine's hand while they were walking. According to what a witness shared, the conflict started when Daniel noticed that Catherine was allegedly uncomfortable with Kyle because he was allegedly being extra touchy. The kaguluhan once again happened when Daniel and Kyle saw each other at the Sky Bar of Soler Resort North in Quezon City. It was said that other celebrities got involved in the conflict. As of this writing, no statement has yet been released from Daniel Padilla and Kyle Echari's camps. This incident happened 2 days ago, but the story about this just surfaced on Sunday, April 6. Allegedly, those who are non-showbiz attendees of the after-party spoke about what they witnessed at that time.